Hello guys, welcome. And today I will be making a video on how to install Windows 2000 Server on your Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. So now click new and name it with Win 2000. Then change the base memory to 512 MB. Then click the optical optical drive. Choose the Windows 2000 ISO file. Click start. Wait for it to open. And then after that, click enter, click enter, and then the setup will now start. Copying files. Okay, click enter to restart computer after that, and then the Windows 2000 will restart. After opening the Windows 2000, again, we will be prompted to set it up again. Wait for it to install. Installing devices. Skip, 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 skip. Okay. After that, before the product key, you need to enter your name and then password for your Windows 2000 server. Okay. Enter product key. After entering product key, click next. Then, okay. Set up the time to GMT +8 Beijing. So since we are in the Philippines, you need to match the time for your Windows 2000 server to work. Okay. After setting it up, it will load and then choose custom. Next, next. Copying files. Skip. Performing final tasks. Okay, after that loading, the Windows 2000 will restart itself. Okay, after opening it, okay, you need to enter your name and password for it to open, and there you have it. You have the Windows 2000 server installed on your Oracle Virtual Box. Okay, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.